Yes, sir.
Right there.
Sorry?
Right there. You're pulling over.
Okay.
Just push it over. Don't even start the motor again. Push it.
Stops that car, looks dead at me, and why don't I just play you guys the clip, because this is exactly what happened. Yes, sir.
Right there.
Sorry?
Right there. You're pulling over.
Okay.
Just push it over. Don't even start the motor again. Push it over.
Yes, sir. I'm going. I don't want to drop the bike, please.
You know you can't do what you're doing. Don't even act like we're stupid.
Down the shoulder.
Walk to him, dog.
As I was coming down the shoulder.
Yes, I saw you in the SWAT car.
I passed you as you were passing vehicles in
Yes.
between lanes. So driver's license, registration.
Driver's
license, registration, insurance.
Sir, you don't have to be aggressive with me. I'm being very compliant. You don't have to be aggressive with me.
Well,
I respect you guys.
if I stopped you like that, I don't think it would have been compliant.
Listen, I respect your guys' job. I respect what you're doing.
You don't respect the snuff. Oh, LOL, bye. You know what? I was hoping to meet you. Because last week you did the same thing to me on the boulevard on the left-hand turn going to northbound on the boulevard coming out of Paris. I'm in fatal investigation.
Listen,
Doing a U-turn.
Where are you at?
I'm doing a U-turn.
Actual roadway is over there, not right here.
Really?
What do you mean, really?
Are you really gonna... Okay, so if I stop back there, all I'm doing is getting in position to do a U-turn. That's it, the light's green, I have the right of way.
When I'm approaching this way, I don't see that, okay? If something happens to you and you're hit right here, you'll be considered not in the appropriate place. You're on a motorcycle, if you can bust a U-turn when that light turns green from there, that would be normal driving. If you have to be there to do it, to wait, that's not good for you. Is it a violation? Maybe. Is it worth me stopping to talk to you? Yeah. But I'm saying if you're sitting there for a U-turn, that's where
Okay, okay. Well, let me ask you this.
Go ahead.
If he's standing right there like he's getting ready to do a U-turn, but he pulls his truck up here, past the white line, are you going to stop and give him?
Look, you're not even in.
Well, I mean, I understand where you're coming from. It's a little bit more dramatic, but all I'm doing is getting in position so that when traffic's clear, I can go. I'm not in the intersection. I mean, if the light was red and they were turning, then I would have to back up. But actually, I was going to go after you because there was cars clear.
Over there. Let's go. Up here? Want me to pull up to that street right there so we can get off the road? Alright. I care about my life.
Yes, you always hit your brakes like that when somebody's changing a lane.
I'm sorry?
You always hit your brakes like that when somebody's changing a lane.
Yeah.
No, he wasn't. He was way up there. Getting this on film because I am.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Because I got your brake lights and I got the car clear up there.
Yeah, because I wasn't sure he saw me. He was coming in.
Yeah, because you're clear over on the white line.
Right.
Yeah,
For my
put your
safety.
brakes lights on.
Right, you understand that, right? For my safety, so.
No, you stay up with traffic. That's what the thing is. And then you don't hit your brakes right when somebody's behind you.
But,
Jesus Christ, you know that's against the law. You know that's against the law. You know
That's against the law.
I wasn't aware that you were that close to me, sir.
I wasn't. But I can't stop that goddamn fast when you hit your brakes.
Okay. I understand.
So what do we need?
What can we do?
What can we do?
Yeah.
I can write you a shitload of tickets.
Okay. How can I avoid that?
But just next time, just drive.
Yes,
normal.
sir.
Normal.
Yes, sir.
Just drive normal.
Yes, sir.
We good?
Yeah, I'm good. All right.
No problems.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay, have a nice night.
Oh, dude, I'm fucking screwed. Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, I'm freaking fucked in the asshole.
112 on this cross rocker, man.
112?
112, well, I checked it. 60. Why we going so fast on this bike, man?
But I don't know, there's no reason. I just saw the open road, you know, and...
Yeah, man, I mean...
Yeah.
I know these things can get up fast like that, man, but on with people drinking and driving and not keeping their lane or traffic on them, and you going that fast, they ain't gonna see nothing but crash, okay?
Damn, I just got fucked in the asshole. That's gonna be one hella expensive ticket, dude. 112 and a 60. Honestly, it should probably go to jail for that.
Puści mnie pan? Słucham? Puści mnie pan? Uzbroić się w cierpliwość jeszcze, tak? Dobra. Dokąd pan jedzie? Do Borkowa. Znaczy ja tu przez Straszyn przejeżdżam i skręcam ze Starogardzkiej w Borkową. Dobra, to jedzie pan. Tylko uważać na nich, tak?
Guys are never gonna learn. Over here. You're never gonna learn. We're over there.
Should just still fucking take the local.
Off your motorcycle, take your helmet off, get me the proper paperwork for your motorcycle, license, registration.
You got it. We'll do.
I know it's a nice day.
Just got on it. Literally been on it for 2 minutes. It was my first
You got on it going southbound, and then you got on it again going westbound.
Yeah. Yeah. Guilty.
All right.
All right. Appreciate it.
Hey, take care, man.
Ride safe.
All right, brother.